Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom wrapper for these 6.75 ounce juice boxes. We're going to be working over on Canva. I'm going to show you how to create the template. We're going to print and assemble. For those of you who are interested in a pre-made template, if I have it available, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. So if you're interested in learning how to make this yourself, make sure you watch the video to the end. If you find the video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do is head on over to canva.com. If you're not already logged into your account, log in, or you can create a free account if you don't already have one. Next, we can select the shortcut options here, which are the resume or the menu. We need our size to be 8.5 by 11. If you don't see these options, you can always go up to create a design. Put in your measurements, 8 by 5 by 11. Make sure it's in inches and select create a new design. Now I am working from the app, the Canva app, so if my features look a little bit different, that is why. Here are the measurements. All of the shapes are the same. Just resize each section to the measurements listed here. Okay, so once you have your template created, you can head on over to your upload tab and upload all of the clip arts and images you may want to use in your design. I have the Pro edition of Canva, so I'm able to save all of my clip arts in different folders to help me keep them organized. And today I'm going to be designing a tea party themed design, and I'll leave a link to where I purchased most of these clip arts in the description box down below. So let's get to the fun part and start designing. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I did want to mention that I am using the Canva app, and this app is on my desktop computer. So I wanted to make a duplicate copy of this text. How I would do this, I would click the text and I would go up to these three little dots and it's going to say more. I'm going to click here and I'm going to click the plus button, and that's going to duplicate that text for me. Alright, so once you're finished with your design and you're happy with everything, you can highlight all of this group it together, click on it again, and make a duplicate copy. And you're able to fit 2 labels to a sheet of paper. You notice that we didn't put anything here. This is for gluing. From here we can save our design. We can go to the download icon. You want to save it as a PDF, and you can also save it as an image. I'm going to save mine as a high quality PDF. I'm going to click download. I'm going to print and assemble. Stay tuned. Alright, so before I printed this, I did want to mention I did go back and add some more elements to the design because it was looking kind of plain. And I also wanted to give you all some printing tips. So I'm going to be printing on the glossy photo paper that I always print on. But I have to make sure I go into my printer settings and set it for the type of paper that I'm using. And make sure I set my print quality to the settings. So with my particular printer, I'm printing on my HP Envy. The paper type needs to be set to either glossy paper or photo paper, and my print quality needs to be set to best. And under these settings, I have no issue with the ink coming off of the paper. Thanks so much for watching the video to the end. If you all found this video tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And drop me a comment down below about some future video ideas you all would like to see me create here on the channel. You can find the links to all the materials that I use in the description box down below. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time. Bye.